From this video, you are going to learn how to find the reciprocal of whole numbers, then negative integers or positive integers, then fractions. Fractions can be negative or positive fraction, then mixed number. So look, 3 is a whole number and you would like to convert this 3 to its reciprocal. So you can rewrite this 3 over 1. That is 3 and 3 over 1 is the same thing. So the reciprocal of 3 will be, just you need to flip this fraction 1 over 3. That is, the reciprocal of a whole number is 1 divided by that number. Okay, so let us take another example. What is the reciprocal of 5? Just rewrite is 5 over 1 and then flip this fraction 1 over 5. So the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. That is 1 divided by that number. Okay, now let us take an integer, negative integer. So let's say you have the number minus 5. So what is the reciprocal of minus 5? This is negative integer. You have to maintain the same step, that is you can rewrite this like this and just flip 1 over 5 and take the negative sign to here. You can take negative sign with numerator or denominator, but usually we write here minus 1 over 5, right? So what is the reciprocal of minus 3? So 1 over 3, just add minus sign, 1 divided by that number, right? So let's say you need to write the reciprocal of 5 over 8. What is the reciprocal of this fraction? Just flip this fraction 8 over 5. If you multiply a fraction with its reciprocal, the result will be 1. 8 cancel each other, 5 cancel each other. You will get 1. So what will be the reciprocal of this fraction? This is negative fraction, right? Minus 2 over 5. Just flip the position of numerator and denominator and take the negative sign before it, right? So this is the way to convert a negative fraction to its reciprocal. If you multiply a fraction with its negative fraction with its reciprocal, then the result will be always 1. So look, 3 and 2 over 3. This is a mixed number or mixed fraction. How to get the reciprocal of this fraction? So at first you need to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. That is why you need to multiply whole number times the denominator and need to add the numerator. That is 3 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So 3 times 3, 9 plus 2 divided by 3. So 11 over 2. So this is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. Now to find out the reciprocal of this fraction, you need to flip this fraction 2 over 11. The reciprocal of this mixed fraction 3 and 2/3. 3 and 2/3 is 2 over 11. Let us take another example. So how to get the reciprocal of this mixed fraction? So just convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction at first. 5 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So you are getting here 15 plus 2 divided by 3. That is 17 over 3. Okay, so to find reciprocal, just flip this fraction 3 over 17. So the reciprocal of this mixed number is this. So how to get the reciprocal of this mixed number, negative mixed number, right? So this is the same thing, just convert 2 times 5 plus 13. Okay, so take negative here, and then you need to 2 times 5 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay, so we are getting here 10 plus 3 divided by 5. So we are getting here 13 over 5. And to take reciprocal, just flip this fraction 5 over 13, and you need to put here negative sign. So the reciprocal of this mixed fraction is this.